Hi, this is Eric Sloop at the VMworld 2018. We're at the Solutions Exchange and I'm at the Liquidware Labs stand. I'm joined by T-Rex. T-Rex, how are you?
I'm good, Eric. It's been a long time since we've had a chance to talk. I think it was VMworld 2014 USA. It's been a while.
Oh, you have a good memory. But indeed, it has been a few years ago. So the Solutions Exchange just opened. A lot of people on the floor. Are you excited?
Absolutely excited. I mean, I think we're at one of those interesting seasons in the market where our market, end user computing, is finally able to take advantage of all of these new technologies, whether it's data services or cloud services, the new things that are coming out from the likes of Microsoft, Nutanix, AWS. It's really exciting. So we're capturing all that excitement here this morning.
Yes, indeed. So you're talking about end user computing. A lot of people are still coping with problems in end user computing, especially performance of certain applications. How do you address those problems?
It's a great question, Eric. So we like to consider ourselves in the business of helping agencies, organizations, and large enterprises manage Windows desktops at scale. So you bring up a great point, which is when something does go bump in the night, who is it, where is it, and what caused it? What we, I think, are trending towards is an era when we really want our users to be as productive as they can, and now the solutions that we bring to bear are just functional components to deliver that productivity. So the things we like to focus on are, what do we have to consider before we start these projects? What do we have to consider during the middle of these projects? And then what do we have to see, what do we have to accomplish to be able to go to scale? So our contribution to help people manage these environments at scale is first user environment management. Get everything that has to do with Eric off of his PC and either get it in the data center, on fast storage, or in the cloud, where it's universally available. Second is you use applications to create or consume data. So we had to have new ways to deliver those applications back to Windows. So application layering is just, I think, a very interesting new type of technology that over the last 3 or 4 years really is getting momentum. But then as you talk about these complex environments, we have lots of different components in the cloud, in your premise, on the thin client. How do we know when something along that path breaks or becomes inconsistent? So visibility is the last part of that component. So the user environment management, application layering, visibility, we think are all three needed before, during, and after. Physical desktops, virtual desktops, or cloud desktops. So it's all kind of coming together finally. It's been the year of the desktop for a decade, but we're ready. 2019 is it, I'll predict.
Okay, great. Many thanks, T-Rex. Have a great VMworld.
Absolutely. Good to see you again. Let's not make it 4 years again, okay?
Okay, promised.